Today I will show how to buy shares of the RMR Group Inc. The RMR Group Inc. is an asset management and real estate services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RMR. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RMR to find the company listing. Make sure you select the RMR Group Inc. on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the right security. To place the order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For the link shown in this walkthrough, check the description below.